What going now? How the feeling? Right. So you are going now. Episode 3 of Donn and the Donkey Cart is here on Maggy Films. The one and only Maggy Films, right? Yeah, man. And big up all of the people who have been supporting Maggy Films. And big up all of the people who can jump on board now, right? So with the outside what? Palace Multiplex. Hopefully one of them one of the movie them can get featured, you know, premiered in a Palace Multiplex. Yeah, man. So that man thing up here right now. So you are going. You see the movie here? Trust me. We never plan to do a part 3. But you guys, trust me. We have to make sure some please you. I don't know, Maggy Films is here to highly entertain his fans. His fans, right? Yeah, man. So you are going now. With no further delay. But hold on, I want to big up some people. I want to big up 3 people. You know your names, right? Yes. Regarding the camera that I told you guys that I need some donation for. Right. 3 persons so far have donated, right? In regards to the camera. Right. When I get the camera yet, they don't know. We're working towards it. So if anybody out there see me want to reach out to Maggy Films with a donation, we'll gladly accept, right? Because we need some equipment to provide some quality content. You don't know what I mean? We don't want shaky content, so we want to speed up the production rate as well. So you don't know, see it there? Yeah, man. Maggy Films. Yeah, man. Come look. Yeah, man. So, without further delay, watch the movie, man, and enjoy it, right? Tell me about it in the comment section. Big up on yourself.
Dan, are you first?
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Hey! School! Hey! Baby donkey go hee-haw. Donkey go hee-haw. Donkey bring me leave-on. Donkey bring me leave-on. Anything we go down and tilt up a seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me not care. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me not travel upon the donkey. Whoa, school. Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, what that country boy? Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Whoa, yeah. School. Come donkey. Go on. Whoa. Drink some water now. Tap a river now. Whoa, yeah. School. Me not travel upon the country bus. Me not travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr. Hi. Oh yeah. Brrr. Easy now, donkey. Oh.
Timber boy. I go and make you rich. But you have to keep your mouth. Your heart weak, timber boy.
out on the dish them. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out, sail out, sail out. Later. Nice pocket dish now. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out, sail out. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out, sail out. Sail out on the calabash dish them.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Sail out on the calabash dish them. Sail out. Hello? What going on, sir? Okay. I can come to the bank tomorrow. Sir. I know I'm in the delinquent category, man, but just give me some time. I'll take in the documents tomorrow. Alright. Tomorrow. Sail out on the distance. Sail out. Sail out. Sail out on the distance.
Oh. Hello? Hello? Yeah? I'm at the machine now. No problem, 20 grand. So I have US, I don't want to give it to US. So yeah, I draw the money. No problem. All right. Yeah. Beg Jamaican, eh? As man get rich, you know, money. You will have a client after this.
Better drink white rum now.
Long time. Alright. What you?
17,700.
Alright. Cash out of that change of your tip there.
Wow.
If the boss man fire you, you know me.
Respect general.
We are there.
What mean I'm there?
You feel the tone as a prisoner?
So you spent for staying in prison?
No.
So you not come me out? I will find out.
What?
You take man the phone, not sure.
What you mean?
Yo, a fool that take me fine now. Me everything, you know. Me everything from your friend tell me everything. One thing I want to know, want to give me the information about that the man there. Cause you know, I'm fresh with that jail, I'm broke. I need some money right now, and the only person can start up right now. So what you say? Talk to me now! More know where he live. Everything about him. You understand me I say? Come over, son of girl. Where you say I go on? More know everything about him where he live. Come in, man. Yo, I'm not hurt you, you know. Because you know, say, hey, if you want to hurt you, I hurt you already. Every information. Stop. Stop.
Yo, my general.
Yeah.
Which part down live?
Right, now what time is it?
Don't get some?
Yeah.
Alright, respect.
Tomorrow come up.
Alright. This and that. There, fall asleep. Wait for every forward in. How we are again? Don't worry about me, man. Yeah, man, you know if you do the right thing. Throw the paper, don't know the people. So you are going now. Just cooperate the city. Yo, we are. We are. Just tell me we are. Eh? Alright. Just cooperate with the situation and everything go alright. Put your hands together like a clap and something. Yeah, man, right? Hands together, huh? Oh, yeah, do. Don't worry, stop. Don't worry about that, man. Forward. Stop. Done.
Don't make this complicated.
No respect.
It's wonderful.
Around. Yo, Mr. Alright, you walk on. Just this time you walk. Alright. Shut up, come on, man. Oh, shut up, brother boy. Make up one nice like this, like the bunker. Stop, Prince. What's up? I'll go ahead. Yeah. Are you from go up on the street? Wow. Virgin.
I know, yeah, try to change my life. And
How long time you say, man, like, are you to go up on the street, the Virgin?
that's cool.
So what you care for me?
You know, say right now, I do some food more get right now, but me soon start you up on what you know what I mean? You deserve it. You know,
yeah, so everything good though.
I mean, everything
So what you say, I want that food?
Yeah, man, I food, man, hungry and
Me can't see it, you know.
that's cool, man.
I wonder if I really foreign come from.
Rough. Enough things are going
Oh,
on.
boy, I'm telling you, man, we got to see us still.
Because I still have a song.
Want all that food, man.
Look like you wait for me, man.
Why can't I wait for you, man?
That's cool, man. I'm going to see that say, you know.
Yeah, man, that's a spirit road, you know.
That's cool, man.
That's spirit, man. We glad to see you, man.
You have drinks on there?
Yeah, man.
Do you want drinks on there,
I
man?
want drinks, so we go back to the again.
For drink, alright, yeah. I make so much noise in the back of the vehicle. Yeah, you're...
Come on, you
Yo, what is Virgin? Come on, you eat a hiccup, you because why we don't eat dry food, we hiccup, you know.
I say,
Yeah, man. Still, you don't look too bad still.
Yeah, I try to hold it off, you know what I mean?
Things that we not going for you still.
You know, I try to get into the fitness shape and put my life in order and all them something that's that me upon right now. But yeah, what you gonna do? I'm gonna take your food and cut to them because me have some other things to start out. Yeah, you know what I mean? So,
So I would that me in a car like I want goat.
no, you are going, I just one machine. You know, so when the current when gone, everybody try to run out, you know, get some compressor and something. So me have a machine in the vehicle, so that me I say me don't want to get too hot.
But me realize, but me not like that, so it's like a human.
No man, a human man, I phone you here like
Human machine.
I phone you here also like
Hey, no, brother.
big up
Keep it faith, you brother. Keep it faith. To see you again, man.
Yeah, man, respect,
Yeah,
yes,
man.
sir.
Alright, brother. Take care.
Alright, cool.
Alright, sir. Alright, brother.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Shut up your mouth, man. Well, I want them police boy doing this. Look at the time.
Go and buy them park up. Yo, make sure you shut your mouth around there. Check time pass. Yeah, let's just see. Yo. Are you going now? You have to make some phone call. You know. Things are famous now. You hear that, man?
Turn right on Dartmouth Road, A2.
Shut my mouth, Siri. What alone can you remember that? Yo, no one remember that. Guy, remember that. Hungry? So take off this off. Take off one man, you mad? Eh? What do you think is that? Relaxing zone? You think a chill spot? Hold on. Yes, Mr. Brown. It's Donn here, man. Could you please lend me like $30 million, please? I'll get it. No? Alright. Okay then. Even off? No? Alright. I'll get two this one. Hold on. I can't get him. You can't get one. Yo, the ramp with me, I think I joke business. Eh? I call two more. I'm a business partner. Yeah. Yeah, Shandon. Kinda then I want a problem here. I don't know if I could have lent me $30 million until yeah, I did lose my business them, but me sure I can get it to you. Like sure so I can get it back. I want like a problem in man. Somebody man, I'm up. Yo. Hold on, man. I can't. You think I fake things, this, sir? Hold on, man. You think I fake bullet, this, sir? Hold on, man. Hold on. Why not rub and stop with my blinking time? I know my bar to drink something. Hold on. Why, man? Hold on. Let's get to me. Hold on. Yeah, you have one. Give me phone. Joke this is the funny. Yo, waste my time. That me I tell you. I'm based on where you're going right now. You tell me say he's a phone, he's a fake. Hold on, man. Hold on. Give me one more call, please. One more call. For sure I can do it. Hurry up. I don't really have no money now, but I have business partners that can help me. Business partner? Just think a partner plan this. Yeah. Big Joes, what go on? Yeah, man, a Donn, man. Donn, man, a different, no, not my number this, but just get a call, you know? Alright, you know, I don't know if you could just please lend me $30 million. No, man. Oh, God, man. Yeah, I lose the business, them, but I still can line up back something. If you can really help me out, I would be grateful for that, please. Huh?
Oh God.
Yo,
Hold on, you saying phone battery here dead.
phone battery there. The time I run out, that me I tell you.
Hold on. I'm gonna call him. Good boy, man. You tell him me 30.
Good boy.
Yeah. Right. Straight voicemail me. Hold on.
Yo, you waste my time.
Hold on.
You waste my
Alright,
time.
hold on. I have a virgin. Him now have no money still, but him can really bar right. You understand?
Who that?
Same virgin they see me down at supermarket, man.
That a who? That a...
Same you the kick off, man.
Hold on, you talk about say that punchy man there. The farmer there. Farmer looking brother.
I'm a virgin, man.
Hey, virgin.
Yeah.
Alright, you are going.
Alright.
You waste my time, and I can't tell you. Man, none of money.
No, man. He can borrow a loan or something, man.
Brother, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5.
Yeah, baby. You know, see, I know where you are, me there. So ask me what I'm rich. You know, always live a key in Flowers Garden. Oh, you find where you from. Hold on then. One number come. Come back if you can, but me, hold on then. Yeah.
Hello? Timbo. Donn, man.
Done. What?
Yeah. Yo, I know you don't have no money, but Timbo, then I want situation. I don't know if you could have links pastor by church. Or see if I can borrow a loan. I don't know. I need 30 million. I don't know.
30 million?
Just link a pastor or something. I don't know, but
Pasta. That is your way, sir? Right now, Pastor doesn't want 30 million to give me no much half in my teeth and he still carry 30 million. Who me ever borrow loan from now?
Timbo, right now I don't have a problem. You see me out of the business by the supermarket. You have me.
Oh, too much information, man. Yo, do what you do or you don't do what you do or what. But do it fast. Because a fake version coming like it's a fake. Yo, do what you do, you know. I have to go drink a rum right now because you're wasting my time. Hold on, power.
Hungry to you, man.
Hungry? Tomorrow eat food, man.
That's cool, man.
I would never have take phone from that. I hang up in my ears. Why then? Yeah, you're bridging, but God no. $30 million. But you did, man. God no. But you did. 30 million, too much. No, me can't. Then we go give you 30 million and then we go broke. No, Dan. Avi, but we can't help you. 30 million. Take up it to what? To save one life. No, Dan. Where you come from far, but just rest in peace. R.I.P. Can't help you. Or you come home now, baby. Go pam pam your woman now, man. No, maybe. Me. Yeah? Look how many they suffer. Oh, me go back. No.
And then, more than never do that in my life. He said, I look at that, he can't wind up. I even the guy try to get rid of that now. And he just happened as a kid challenge. Would never do that to my daughter. Never. Me no. He catch me that. I never do that to my daughter. Shani, this is where I come from.
You don't matter where me I come from, me here every day.
What you mean, Shani? And I know what you think, you know?
What you mean by you know what me think? Mommy, you say you poison me.
My daughter, no, I know that. I know that me I talk about. I know so you go. I know that. Me would have never poison you, my daughter.
You try to poison the person I'm falling in love with. What you mean by you know what me think?
Shani,
It's alright, you don't have to explain yourself to me. Me ain't gonna leave.
No.
Don't touch me.
Shani,
Don't touch me.
Shani, no. I never ever tried myself.
Yo. You see I stay tonight. You know? Yo, hear me I say, man. Right now, touch yourself, you know. Because you pretend like you have money. Because you have Harvard Street. And you have supermarket and all these things. Yo, shut your mouth, man. Yo. Where me still have money? Eh? Yeah, you man. Yo, I see you sleeping, you know. See? Hungry, tomorrow you get something to eat. Yo, wake up, man. Come on, man. No, you are going. You are going. See? Aye. Alright. You are going now. You see, based on the facts, eh? You waste my time. I this one. Eh? What you mean, boy? Yo, what you mean? No, right. It's alright now, man. I tell you that. You know what I say? What you mean, cool now? You waste my plenty time, bro. Eh? You don't have money. You're going like a hype off money and all these things. No. Eh? The phone ring. You mean your phone ring? Phone ring. Oh, let me talk to you first. Now. Yo, I'm gonna talk to you, sir. Look, get the fuck, sir. Yo, hold on. Mask it. Don't take out that boy. Alright. Yo, Timber. Hello. Yeah. In the side of me, man. You say I want to talk to you. Talk to who? Yo. Who that? I'm a virgin, man. I want to talk to you. I don't know if you can get the money for borrow. Talk to him now. Give me the damn phone, man. Yo, who this? Eh? Why Donn is a lucky man, that's all I can tell you. Yo, make sure you not ramp with me, you know. Because you put yourself in one situation where anything are for him, are for you too. You understand me I say?
More forward, man. More forward, man.
So get that. Meet me over Shanice's house. You handicap, man? You handicap?
Oh, no.
You handicap? Hey, me say if you handicap, you handicap?
No, brother.
Yo, meet me over Shanice's house. Don't waste my time.
Shut up, brother.
Mama Murray.
Wait, you two know each other?
Yo, I know you don't find you know, cause yo, I can't believe say me man come on my yard. Eh?
What Donn, you alright? Like, what's happening? What you mean me make man come in here? I don't understand.
So no be the band.
Son, what's happening?
What mean so what's happening? No, you nothing from you know, that me I tell you know.
Like,
Me man come no, step back.
what you mean step back?
Just step back.
This is my house. What you mean
Just
step back?
Step back, cause right now me not depend where you depend now.
Excuse me?
At 6 months me there at jail now. So you just step back.
I
See?
heard that you're here, but I'm seeing you for the
I not check for me.
What's happening? Like, child, what's happening? What is happening here?
What you mean so what's happening? Don't worry about that. I wait for the thing I come right now, right? You see how you
What is
me
happening?
don't want to hear nothing from you. That's
Son-in-law,
simple.
what is happening? Son-in-law, what is happening? Excuse me. Dejan, please. Look at my child. Look at my child.
Don't want to really take.
Shanice.
This is not the time, you know.
Devian.
This is not the time, you know, because you know, say, this is my woman, and you have man come up here.
What do you mean of man? What do you mean of man come up here? What are you even talking about?
So with the man, yo, where you go? Yo, come over.
Donn.
Right there, sir. Hey, yo, Mama Murray, just ease the man, you don't understand
What's
what's going
wrong
on.
with
What
you?
say what's wrong with me?
What is wrong with
Later on,
you?
I'm going to find what's wrong with me. Yo, just don't move from there, so that me I tell you. See?
Devian.
You explain to her what going already?
Devian.
You explain to her the truth. That's why she going so. That's your surprise. Eh? Yo, what the man there, brother? What the man there? That me I talk about. You be enough time for waste or so.
What man? Like what man? Which man is coming?
What you mean?
Like which man coming to my house now?
Mama.
Which man coming to my house? What is happening?
I said she can't chat.
Shanice, what's happening? Talk! Donn, what's happening?
Make him tell her what going.
Devian.
One thing I tell her, Mama, you say, you get yourself in a certain things when you need to get none. That me I tell you now. You need to go relax yourself and go sleep. Right now it's a transaction you wait for the sort out and left a place. Yo, what the man there, brother?
Transaction?
Don't worry about that.
Hello?
Yo, just follow through the gate and follow through the door there, sir. And come up a step.
No.
And man, I move so slow, man.
At your place.
Mama, yo, come here, something wrong with you, now. Man, I take time walk, man.
Devian, I never knew you would be such a bitter fruit towards us.
Now you know. See?
Very good. Make sure you know. Come on, officer.
Yo, you done with it.
Yo, Bridget, we carry 30 million, you know. The man. 30 million. All in the US.
Yo, make sure you're not shot, you know.
Alright, no good. Done. Come on.
Yo, don't move from there, sir. Me have a surprise for you all around. See? You wanna treat me like I want punk in this place here. Yo, you see how you done? Nobody down left this place right now. Dan, are you first? Hey boy, look at me. Hey, what you do? What you do? Call us police. Look at me, man. Look at me. What you do? Look at me.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, Miss Man. Ah, boy.
Where are you going?
I have some unfinished business to take care of.
You don't have to leave so fast, you know. You can stay a little longer, even until tomorrow.
The church is the person who fall in love with what you mean by you know what you think. Alright, you're not explaining something to me, may not need. No attention.
Hold on. We gotta go one station. If you carry it over station, we'll show them how we come by the 30 million when we give. You see 30 million when they take up? Have to carry them documents and show them how we make it.
Oh.
If me not carry, we will watch here. Because I want to make the money laundering. You understand?
Okay, so prove them then.
Proof.
Alright.
So that's come on, man. Everything good.
Business they are legitimate. Alright.
Yeah, I'm legit, man. But I need to know. Alright, Dan. See you guys, Hassan. Should I come?
Yeah, man. Come, man.
Right.
Have a seat. What were they say bring you?
Bank statements, documents of the business.
What bring them now?
Officer, your job that's in there, you want to see where my money come from. But that's feeling me, you know. You see?
No.
That's the bank statement. This is my business certificate. I'm allowed this.
Oh, turn on your phone, sir.
Sorry about that, officer.
Alright. Which bank this come from? I don't know bank you but
Officer, you can't have serious. You see big old MC. What there?
so it's up here.
You can't blame me a long time after that. Months. Money just a flow in my account.
It's a 3-month worth of bank statement.
You know what more than that? We just
That's
reset
6
Mr. Army
months back.
business. What you want? You want 1 year?
Tell us 6 months. What is
That's a business registration. You should say nothing illegal.
how long you have the business? No?
3 months. You don't see bank statement.
You have a business 3 months and it can make 30 million.
Look for the good. Me no fraud.
Me tell you from now. You see, if this bank statement not add up to what you say, you'll go to prison. You hear me, sir?
Yeah, because people, I never shouldn't tell us me rich. I mean, I should tell you
Hold
that. Me a rich man, I want to, man.
Yeah, so. Yeah, me sending the stats them.
Wow.
No man, on 3 minutes ago. Just check your email. Alright.
Worst situation I'm in up here.
So,
You know, find me out for you.
this is yourself. Bleach. And
Yeah, I'm at supermarket, I'm at close to it. Yeah, you read out my business, now me get knocked.
So what you there for? You don't want to know say, oh, boss did have a program out there, you know. Program did I go on good enough, but me don't know what going on. Brother, it's like boss, he missing up everything gone. It was like the man move and just take everything with him, boy. Mash up my mates, brother. So you don't know, man, stay in the streets, you know. Cause food have to eat, so I'm gonna try one also. And I try to do back the same thing, but it don't work out. Boy, I grab my man. Mash up my little plan star. I wanna know, say, at 2. Boy. So come on still.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, me about 2 months left, man.
2 months?
Yeah, man, me about 2 months left in this, man.
Boy, brother, life me there for to baseball. When the man mash up me and them sitting there, yo. Yeah, man, be a karate kick. All the boy there, or give me some karate kick and hire who and then sitting there. Wait. He must sit around and fall down here, man. Let's wait. Oh, brother, you're lucky me stuck down here.
I forgot give you one marker. You start mark your calendar, you know. You look like you're going to do all of this a while, yeah. Life imprisonment. So make sure my excess in my 2 months soon done. And I do not to jeopardize that.
My God. God, that's mercy. Why come here?
Anyways. Anyways. I'm going to submit them to the court. I'm going to put them on the case file. Yeah? You have anything else you want to tell me?
Well,
Before you say anything, the rest of you then, a life man get you know.
me wouldn't mind him get all debt and a life. Me don't want to have no life.
You not see back road for now.
No, me want him for dead, no life. Where you give them life and give them debt? That's the new law, give them debt, no life. When you give people like they never kill people, you give them death, not life. Only need to change the system. You can't give murderer life. You have to give them death.
No, say something. Police right there, lad.
Alright. Let's see how the $30 million I want to have.
But no, where you go so far?
My friend out there wait for me.
No, ask you a question. You really, how long do you have money?
You gone back for
You rich?
Me said,
You ask, you rich?
of course me rich.
You're a wealthy man.
Yes.
Anything you say, you have to say it to the court. You know.
Me rich, man.
You're rich?
Yo. Officer, make me everything cool. As I put myself in one spot and I shouldn't do. You know what me I say? I'm just change life penalty and put your death penalty, yeah?
Anything me call it, yeah?
And the $30 million, I don't think you can find the box.
You don't get it back for no going on.
That's why I say, you don't find it, you might have it now.
Now you lose everything, Timber boy. You should have keep your mouth.
What do you? What do you?
Shouldn't tell the police them that, man. Shouldn't do that.
What do you mean I shouldn't tell the police them?
We poor, you know. We shouldn't tell them that. I'm too rate, you know. I'm here one day, you know.
What you talking about?
I shouldn't tell them. Like that. That's not the right. You should tell what from know about.
No, but how that, you don't understand. What that have to do with it?
The long story, man. Just come on. Maybe when you reach up and you have me explain everything to you right now.
No, I'm not saying that.
How come you live lavish, man, with the NRC and everything else? Y'all have... Boy, Dan, I'm glad you come to the station with me, but the thing is, if I want to carry 30 million and go give the man same way, the man could have dashed away same way. And if I never the girl mother, how mother they talk to you now? Sorry for you still, you know, although you know some name did like her one time, but boy, I don't know. Right, I just one of them days, you know. Everything will be alright. Shooting. Wow! Look at that in her belly. Well, I wish if look at Timber in her belly too, you know.
Evelyn.
What? I'm good, you know.
You alright?
Yeah.
Donn, I'm cook when I ready the food in there.
Yeah, baby girl.
Yeah? Timber, if you'd like, you can stay for dinner.
Yeah, man, all 5 plate, like, you know.
Alright.
You are cooking, you know.
Alright.
So, where you see I go, you know, reason?
Yeah, man.
Alright. What nice wife you do.
I tell her boy.
Yeah. Let's see I go, you know.
Boy, I'm just there, boy. Just there, boy. All the things up on my brain, my youth.
Donn,
Yeah, baby girl.
may I go by the farm and get some tea bush, alright?
What you say, Ado?
May I go over the farm and get some tea bush?
Alright, go on and come now. Be careful now.
Oh, boy. Why am I tell you, Dan? You know what I say? Why, Dan? God no. We really want that $30 million there, you know. Because guess what, no? Could have give you 15 million out of it. You could have set up your house and buy a crib and everything. Baby can run around. But just lose it like that.
I feel like you'll get it back still, because remember them must say, after I court finish, you'll get it back.
No, get it back.
You'll get it, man.
I tell you, Dan, between me that money gone for good.
Me say gone.
Even though you see me I run a legit business, that's what that make you own again. Everything gone. I'm broke. Totally broke. The jewels them when you see on my hand, I sell them, I forgot to look for sell them. All you see me, I'm broke. You don't understand?
Hold on. Hope your situation sounds similar to mine, sir.
What do you mean by sound? Like fear? Dan, no, don't tell me say, what you mean we say, mine sound like fear? Dan, don't tell me.
Hold on, let me tell you what I got. You know, say I'm rich. I own, you see the 2 stores them in town. They have that shit.
And the supermarkets? I mean, I ask you who own it, and you never tell me?
I couldn't tell you, Timber.
No, you couldn't do that, Dan. Me and your brethren, you could have live lavish.
I couldn't tell you, Timber.
Why?
But you never tell me say you rich either.
I understand that part. I say good. Sometimes secret out made to keep, but you see, with mouth, I know me broke. Huh? I don't understand this life right now. You see how many I live? Hennessy on top of Hennessy.
Hold on. You say mouth. I see same thing happen to me. What going? What going on with you?
You know what, if I tell you the truth, Dan.
Something alright.
You see donkey the way you have. Me a part of company at the bush and nearly a timber. You will make you rich. Me said me couldn't do more than pass out. And so when I get up back the next day, money just a come. Business just a come to me. But now everything gone. You see, $30 million, I'm sorry for the police. Because that gone too. So all them are going to look things and them are going to get that. That will vanish. Money just a come. That's why the business is there for sure when me I get the money from. The money just a pump in the donkey and make money pump in.
Timbo.
Huh?
I can't believe.
What? Believe what? Wait there. I did donkey make you rich. Remember, you know? And somebody else, we seen at the supermarket when we go in there, we go buy different owner. So I did donkey and I have to one.
Hey, darling. Don't run. You don't have to run. Don't run, darling. Don't run. Me nah harm you. I'm going to make you rich, but you have to keep your mouth. You have to keep your mouth. As a little lady do, your heart stronger than for timber.
Donn!
Donkey kato.
Hey! School! School! Hey! Baby donkey go a hee-haw, hee-haw. Donkey go a hee-haw, hee-haw. Donkey bring me leave-on. Donkey bring me leave-on. Anything we go down until top a seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me nine car. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Whoa, school. Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, what that country boy? Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Whoa, yeah. School. Come donkey. Go on. Whoa. Drink some water now. Tap a river now. Whoa, yeah. School. Me not travel upon the country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr. Hi. Oh yeah. Brrr. Easy now, donkey. Oh.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Sumba, sunda da da dumba, valley follow, mountain for slow. This place my home, I'm not alone.